Hi guys, Auntie Anne's gonna read you a story from Rusty Rivets, and today's story is Meet Rusty Rivets by Mary Tilworth. Meet Rusty Rivets. He loves to make things. He loves to build and invent. Rusty invents his Rivet Lab. His friends help. Come and meet them. Ruby is Rusty's best friend. Ruby has a tablet. She uses it to help Rusty invent. Bites is a robot dog. Rusty and Ruby build Bites. Bites plays fetch. The bits are Rusty's robot helpers. Ruby can call them with her tablet. Ray is a flashlight. His beam is bright. He lights Rusty's way. Crush is a clamp. He holds tight with his powerful jaw. Whirly is a flying robot. She can lift things high into the air. Jack is a forklift. He is strong. He gives Rusty a boost. Rusty, Ruby, and the bits work together. The friends hammer. They drill. They paint. The friends build a new robot. His name is Botasaur. Botasaur acts like a dog. He plays fetch with Bites. Liam is Rusty's neighbor. He often gets into trouble. Uh-oh, Liam flies away. Rusty and Ruby invent a balloon popper. Pop, pop. Rusty and Ruby save Liam. Mr. Higgins is an inventor too. He helps Rusty find spare parts. Chef Batty owns a bakery. She makes cakes and cookies. Ranger Anna loves animals. She works at the animal park. Rusty and Ruby visit her. They visit the penguins too. Sammy Scripps runs an ice cream shop. Rusty and Ruby stop by for a sweet treat. Rusty has a party in his yard. His friends bring things that they made. Cake, ice cream, and a remote control plane. They celebrate together. Hooray for friends! Hooray for Rusty Rivets! The end.
If you like reading with Auntie Anne, feel free to click like and subscribe below. See you on the next story.